Welcome to all of you. I am Rakesh and you are watching channel Smart Classes. Dear, today topic is organ system. So I am going to discuss about what are the organ systems. So I will define each and every organ system and what are the main organs of organ system and what are the functions of organ systems. So let's start it. Here we are going to give detailed information regarding system, and the first organ system is that is a skeletal system.
दिक्कत है अभी.
So our first organ system is consist of skeletal, and इसमें क्या है कि जो सिस्टम है उसका मेन जो ऑर्गन है that is bone. As you know, bone is the main organ of a skeletal system, or which is the functions. What are the function of a skeletal system is first, ये बोन जो है वो हमारे शरीर को स्ट्रक्चर देता है, साथ साथ वो प्रोटेक्ट करता है और मूवमेंट भी देता है. सो वी कैन राइट हियर द फंक्शंस ऑफ बोन इज फर्स्ट movement of body part, second structure, give a structure of body, and third protect of internal organ. So from first system what we learn here, the main organ is bone and their function is movement in body part, structure of giving body, and protect all the internal organ. So we are moving to the next system, that is muscular system. In this system, the main organ is muscle. What you are looking here, in this system, the main organ is muscles, and the function of muscle is body movement. Give body movement. जब हम कोई भी हेवी वर्क करते हैं तो वी आर यूजिंग आवर मसल. सो दिस मसल इज containing in system of muscular system, so we are called as a muscular system. Third, we are moving as a circulatory system. As name, circulatory called, which is the meaning of circulation, and the main organ of circulation is here is blood vessel, as well as heart. The three main organs of circulatory system is blood vessel, and heart. So what are the function of these organs? And their organs function is to circulate oxygen. What they are doing? From heart, blood is circulating to the different parts of body. So we are writing here as a circulating oxygen, circulating food, water in different parts. As well as the waste material waste material is circulated. The waste material is also circulated by circulatory system with the help of blood vessel and heart. We are talking about that is nervous system. This is the next system, nervous system, and the main organ contains by nervous system is brain, nerves, spinal cord. This is the main organs of our nervous system, and their function is to control all functions of body. So what you are learning from here, this is the main system of our body which contains brain, nerves, spinal cord. And what is the function? The function of brain, nerves and spinal cord is to control, because brain, nerves gives message to the body parts to doing all the functions. So these are the functions of our nervous system. Next system is respiratory system. In respiratory system, we are looking the main organ. The main organ here is a nose, windpipe, and you can say lungs. This is very important for human body to survive their life. This system is very important because we are taking air inside and taking out of the air. So nose, windpipe and lungs are the main organs of respiratory system, and their function is to take air in and out. इसका फंक्शन होता है कि बाहर से हवा को अंदर लेना और बाहर करना. Especially we can say taking in oxygen and taking out carbon dioxide, CO2, carbon dioxide. So from here, inhalation part and exhalation part is going to be, because we are taking air, especially in air we take oxygen and we are leaving carbon dioxide. The next system is digestive system. The main organ of digestive system is mouth, teeth, food pipe, you can say food pipe, the small intestine, and large intestine. सबसे पहले हम लोग मुंह में कुछ फूड को लेते हैं, जहां पर टीथ जो है उसको छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में कर देते हैं और सैलिवा से वो सॉल्युबल हो करके वो फूड पाइप में चले जाते हैं, और उसके बाद सारा फूड जो है थ्रू विद द हेल्प ऑफ फूड पाइप स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में जा करके स्टोर हो जाते हैं. उसके बाद वहाँ डाइजेशन का पार्ट शुरू होता है और जो इनडाइजेस्टेड फूड है वो लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में स्टोर हो जाते हैं. So main function of digestive system, especially organs like a small intestine, large intestine, to digest food. फूड जब डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है तो विच हेल्प्स टू मेंटेन डाइजेस्ट फूड क्या करते हैं, व्हाट आर द रोल ऑफ डाइजेस्ट फूड टू मेंटेन एंड यू कैन से रिपेयरिंग ऑफ डैमेज cell and organs. You can say also digesting food, if food is digested, it can helps to grow. For growing it is very important what you are eating as a food have to be digest. So what are the organs which are helping? That is mouth, teeth, food pipe, small intestine and large intestine, and the system which helping is digestive system. Next system we are moving, that is excretory system. Excretion means to expel out. जब हम किसी चीज को अंदर से बाहर की तरफ निकालते हैं तो ये एक्सक्रेशन होता है. तो सिस्टम जो है वो एक्सक्रेशंस का पार्ट यहाँ पर करने जा रहा है. तो मेन ऑर्गन्स वी आर लुकिंग एक्सक्रेटरी सिस्टम में सबसे मेन जो ऑर्गन्स है दैट इज फर्स्ट इज किडनी, यूरेटस, urethra and skin. So in this excretion system, the main organ kidney, ureter, urethra, skin, through which the function is going to be, that is we are going to expel out जो भी हम वाटर पीते हैं, खाते हैं, उसको हम लोग इनडाइजेस्टेड रूप में हम लोग उसको बाहर निकाल देते हैं. तो फंक्शन ऑफ दिस एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम टू रिमूव indigested or unwanted, we can say wastage. As a wastage we can remove from with the help of kidney, ureters, urethra in the system of excretory system. So we have learned about 7, and the last of the organ systems, that is reproductive system. Reproductive system and the organs, especially for, you can say in female you can say ovaries, oviduct, ureters, vagina. These are the female organs, especially in reproductive system, as well as we can say in male organ, that is testes, you can say sperm tube, urethra, and penis. So both in female as well as male, the organ which are helping to reproduce the same kind of worth. The function of these organs to give production offspring, offspring, or you can say production of new individual, production of new individual. So with the help of this system, so human can produce the same kind of work as a new individual with the help of these organs, especially in female, ovaries, oviduct, uterus, vagina, and in male organs, testes, sperm tube, urethra, as well as penis. So in this system, we have discussed about each and every system and their main organs and their functions. So I think all of you gets all the confusions regarding organ system. So friends, I think I have cleared all the doubts regarding organ systems, organ and their functions. और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको सारा कंफ्यूजन जो है, डाउट्स क्लियर हो गया होगा. सो थैंक यू फॉर listening my points. So subscribe my channel and be connected to my video. Thank you.